Hello everyone. I am going to tell you today about who can seek a divorce. Divorce is a common word. In fact, we can say a household name these days. Especially during pandemic, we have seen how divorce has become a rampant act among families. In this video, I am going to tell you when you can seek a divorce. See, these days situations do arise when husband and wife, they cannot live together. They do not want to see their faces and they do not want to see each other. There are many reasons for the same, and because of this a gulf erupts and the marital life is discorded. Under Hindu law, earlier marriage was treated to be as a sacred institution, and it was called as a unbreakable institution and unbreakable tie in the Indian societies. But it is not so anymore. The courts are repleted and flooded with the divorce petitions. Any marriage can be dissolved these days by simply filing a divorce petition. Either it can be a single divorce petition, or if both the parties agree, then it can be a mutual divorce petition. There are many grounds where you can seek divorce. First can be cruelty. Secondly, it can be desertion in your marriage. If any of your spouse has, continuous period of not less than 2 years have deserted you for any reason whatsoever. And the essence of desertion is abandonment. And such abandonment must be with the intent to bring cohabitation, living together, to an end. That means the end to your marital life. Third reason, or ground rather I should say, the ground for divorce, one-sided filing of petition before the family court, is if any of your spouse has ceased to be a Hindu or he has converted to another religion. In that case also, you can seek divorce. If your husband or your wife is suffering from a virulent or an incurable disease like leprosy or cancer or any other vulnerable disease, that can also be a ground for divorce. If your spouse has renounced the world by entering into any kind of religious orders, or this can also be a ground of divorce for you to break your marital life and end the marriage. Another reason for filing a divorce petition is if you have not heard about your spouse, whether he is or she is alive or not, for a period of not more than 7 years or so, who would naturally have heard of him or had the party been alive. In this situation also, you can seek divorce. These are few grounds where you can go and approach the court and you can seek for divorce. Well, in case of wife especially, she is entitled to a decree of divorce not only on the aforesaid reasons which I have discussed, but also on the following two additional grounds which I am going to tell you now. First is that the husband, he has, since the solemnization of the marriage, has been guilty of rape or sodomy or bestiality. Another ground, additional ground for a wife for seeking divorce is that a decree or order has been passed to pay maintenance to her, either in 125 CRPC maintenance petition, and since the passing of the decree or order, no cohabitation is there between the wife and her husband, and it has not been resumed for more than 1 year or even upwards. These are two additional grounds when the wife specially is also entitled to maintenance and seek for divorce, apart from the grounds which I have discussed. Another important ground I would like to share with you is that her marriage, like the wife, if her marriage was solemnized before she attained the age of 15 years, before she attained the age of 15 years, and that she repudiated the marriage after attaining that age, but before attaining the age of 18 years. So these are various grounds where you can seek divorce. Thank you.